at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we've got one made in China for the US market. This is Uncle Ya with their Sichuan cold noodles. So let's make it so. So, what do we got? We got a lot of sachets. And I'm going to boil these this time. These never work out as I like. I'll be very honest about that. So these are these little pea things. These definitely got to get boiled today. Because I think they're not suitable. We'll try them boiled. Let's see. These are just peanuts. They don't need boiled. No. 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 Yes. And it says on the packaging 3 to 4 minutes on these. These are funny because it's like this is from a completely different company. It's like they outsourced to Sao for these trolley noodle bowl variety noodle, but whatever. Whatever's clever. All about sourcing, I guess. So it's 3 to 4 minutes. I'm gonna do 3 because I think that's probably even overkill. And yeah, so what's going on? Yesterday was our 12th wedding anniversary, and it went good. We tag teamed making dinner. That was a fun thing. What else? Not a lot. Pretty mellow day. It's still just like disgustingly warm in here. I had to run to the store and grab a couple things, and it was like the air is like thick and nasty and gross and humid. It was like this morning, like at 6:45 a.m. I think it was 63 and 90% humidity here, and that's just not normal for this area. It's just so gross and thick and funky. I don't like it. It's just like coming into the kitchen already, it feels just like, God, what was it? Somebody used to make Jello and then mix it with like heavy cream. I remember this lady was like, "Oh, it's so good. You can feel the fat on grease on your lips." I was like, but that's literally like what it feels like just walking into the kitchen. It's just, like I've said before, all smells enter this area. From where you could go fart in the other room, and like if you're sitting here, it's gonna waft in. But yeah, I don't understand. I don't like it. But today's variety is a cold noodle. I'm really excited. I got asked by a company that's a distributor for a Korean instant noodle company if they could use some of my images and stuff. And I was like, yeah, 1 or 2. And I was like, but in exchange, I need some product. And one of them is a cold noodle from South Korea. And I'll make a pizza with that. A summer pizza covered in vegetables and cold bibimbap sauce. So that should be really, really cool. I'm hoping. Another one I want to make is like a chili crab, like a Singaporean chili crab pizza. We'll see how it goes. The only downside with doing crab is crab's expensive, and it's like if I want to do it right, I need real crab, which is expensiver than imitation. Now here's where I always screw up with cold noodles. So I'm gonna drain it, but I gotta rinse it. I have to like say that out loud, because if I don't, I will forget. Now we rinse the noodle with cold water. And that should do the trick. Actually, I'm even going to chill the pot a little. So here is our chilled cold noodle, and here comes the cavalcade of sachets. This one simply says seasoning pack. There's a lot of them. A lot of times I get people asking me, which one's the best noodle? Which one has the most seasoning sachets? And it's like, that smells Sichuan. And it's like, that's a really tricky question. This one is the spicy sauce pack. Because I'm going to tell you right now, the ones that have the most sachets generally are more traditional Chinese varieties. And they'll have all sorts of stuff going on. But usually the place that people get the idea of more sachets is better is from Indomie. I swear. That's like it's got 5 sachets. It's like the best ever. The more sachets, the better, right? It's like, if you like traditional Chinese noodle, then yeah, you might be really happy about that. If you end up not liking it, if you're not into things like lotus bean pod or pickled mustard stem, I believe that's what this is. Yeah, this one just says mustard pack. This should be like mustard stem. I had one of these in one that I did yesterday. Yeah, that's mustard stem. But I had one of the Uncle Yeah varieties that was what was it, sour pepper beef. Oh man, that one was off the hook. That was excellent. And you know who else liked it? Was my daughter. She ate a bunch of that for lunch. I was like, really? Yeah? Okay, cool. Okay, what's going on here? Our music stopped. Okay. There we are. Then here's our peanut action. A lot of peanuts, big chunks too. And then we have this. I'm gonna guess this is soy sauce. I could be wrong. It could just be black vinegar. Oh, that's black vinegar, all right. It's always one or t'other. Now we got a cold noodle ensconced with a bazillion. That's a little loud. Ensconced with a bazillion different toppings. Now we're gonna try to do this without making an enormous mess. I'm hopeful, but I'm not expecting this is going to be one that I go like, oh my god. But I've been proven wrong quite a few times. My initial thought is this is going to be like, yeah. I like to be proven wrong. I want every noodle to be a 5-star. I want everything that I taste from all around the world to be just absolutely amazing, wonderful, and life-changing. But obviously that just can't be the case. But, you know. So there's peanuts and peas and all sorts of funky stuff going on. Spicy, Sichuan, peppercorn. So let's Combine a little bit more. Alright. Let's try see what happened with these peas. Still don't like them. Okay. And then some of the mustard. Yeah, about as what I expected. I'm just not feeling thrilled, but well. Alright, that's better. I mean, look at that. Isn't that crazy? Look at all that stuff. I can put some spring onion on top, but God, look at that. There's so much in there going on. Oh, it's got a kick to it. Fine. There's a lot of spring onion here. And yeah, I need to get more of that actually. The next one should be interesting as well. But here we are for crying out loud. Yeah? Yeah. Here's the next one. This kitchen's toasty. This is Simply Asia's Spicy Mongolian Noodle Bowl. Last time I had one of these products, hopefully we'll have something better. This one's microwavable, so this shouldn't heat up the kitchen too much. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.